Hi guys, this is just a quick video to walk you through how to go about this class. I know some of you weren't able to make it to class today. A couple of you had car trouble. One of you was not feeling so well. We've got four that are living out of town, and we've also have some that had class conflicts. So we are all going to be across the board on this, and so this is how you access our class. So we are going to have it 3 different ways. You can come to my class 3 different ways. You can show up on Tuesdays and Thursdays, room 107 at 1 o'clock. You can video in at 1 o'clock through Zoom, or you can watch the video afterwards and then kind of catch on that way. Although I will do my best to do great videos, I'm not a videographer, so they're not always as good as they should be. So if we look here, I'm going to show you how to get to those places. So room 107 is where we meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you are choosing to meet on Zoom at 1 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you come here to the Zoom link, click on the Zoom link, and then you go to upcoming meetings, and then that will be right in here. Once you get to that part, just click go, and then you're set to go. It's through my personal room. If you decide you don't want to be on Zoom and you want to watch the video afterwards, they're going to be under this video section. You click on video. Here is our Zoom video for today. Today was September 8th, and we met at 1 o'clock. This is the passcode to get into that link. Sometimes clicking doesn't always work, so copy and paste might be the best choice. I always re-watch my videos just to make sure you can hear everything, see everything. And in this video, I learned that the link that I showed in class today, which is our Rita Pierson video, the audio didn't come across. So when you're watching the Zoom link, you can just stop that for a second and then watch the video for here, and then that's you'll be caught up with everything we did in class. Now, not today because it's our very first day. We're not going to have discussions today. But starting on Tuesday, if you are not in class at 1 o'clock and not on Zoom at 1 o'clock, a discussion will be posted. You have 2 weeks to get those discussions done, so it doesn't feel like you have to get them all done now, but in that 2-week span, that's when we'd like them done. So if you miss next Tuesday, there will be a link, the video, on the whole class, and there'll be a discussion. And you are only required to do the discussion if you are not in class and not on Zoom. Hopefully that makes sense. And if we get kind of fumbly through these next couple weeks till everybody figures it out, that's totally fine. Just call me if you have questions, email me, it's not a problem. So we're gonna do it that way so we can make sure all of our people in our class get the same access and opportunity, no matter where you are in the state or what your schedule is. So again, there's 3 ways you can come to my class. You can come Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 o'clock on room 107. You can jump on Zoom, click on this, and go into upcoming meetings. The link will be here. If you don't want either one of those or are unable to do either one of those, go to the video in the section. The video, you click on that, and it will be the video for this day. So for here, we're going to be September 8th. This is the Zoom video, this is the passcode, and then this is the video that I talked about in class. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, give me a call. Let's figure something out. Those of you who are on campus who had course conflicts, same type of thing. You can jump in anytime. If there is ever a chance that you don't have that class, that it's conflicting with my class during that time, feel free to come in, and then you don't have to do the discussions or the video afterwards. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks.